Birthday list with BREE Beezley, who's celebrating her first birthday. That is a great picture right there. I know, what a look for Miss BREE. She is in Girard. Happy birthday, kiddo.
What a cutie there. KAMRYN Borland turning 3 years old this year. Another cutie there. This one in Carthage.
Speaking of 3, that's what the ADB is turning right here. Olivia Diane Burns. Boy, you want to talk about getting dolled up for a birthday party right there. Olivia, I love the outfit. She is in Columbus.
Yeah, she'll be the belle of the party for sure. All right, and we've got RHYNLEE Murphy celebrating birthday number 7 this year, getting a little pool time out in Seneca, Missouri. Happy birthday wishes coming from Mom, Dad, Roman, Ryder, Raylan, and Nanny.
Okay, so RHYNLEE's got a birthday. I don't know how Mom and Dad do it. I have trouble with 2 of them that have the same letter in the first name. I'll mess their names up. I'll accidentally call one the other.
Yeah.
You got RHYNLEE, Roman, Ryder, and Raylan.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
God bless you, Mr. and Mrs. Murphy. Colleen Newby, she is celebrating her 8th birthday. Colleen, I want you to have a marvelous day. This birthday wish comes from love from Mom and Dad. Colleen's in Oswego.
Right, and we've got James Shoulders celebrating birthday number 15 this year. James is in Oswego, and if it's James's birthday, then it's gotta be time to celebrate for Elizabeth as well. James's twin sister is also in Oswego.
I bet they're out at the fair.
Yeah, it's fair time.
I bet they're at the fair. If you see James and Elizabeth out there, make sure you tell them happy birthday. Gage Kirkwood. Yep, there it is, 16. Get the permanent license. Get all legaled up right there. Happy birthday, Mr. Gage. He's in Welch.
All right, and we've got Shelby. Wow, Shelby LENZEN, my friend, is now 28 years old. Looking good there, girl. And these are birthday wishes coming from Mom and Dad, who are so proud of you.
KARALYLE FLENNIKEN, celebrating her 80th birthday. KARALYLE, a very happy birthday to you, ma'am. She is in Jasper.
And let's see, we've got Florence KIMREY celebrating birthday number 95 this year. Miss Florence is in Pittsburgh. Nice picture there.
A couple in Columbus, one of those being Mr. Jim Bowles. Jim, a happy birthday to you, my man.
All right, and JANIE RUDDICK celebrating another year in Columbus as well.
Jim Ganaway is celebrating a birthday in Crestline. Happy birthday, Mr. Jim. John Crane Sr., not the younger one, the older one. John Crane Sr., happy birthday in Columbus. And Roxanne out. Boy, I tell you, party in Crestline, huh? Roxanne has a birthday. She's also in the line. Happy birthday, Roxanne.
Let's see, the O'Briens are celebrating a birthday. There's Colt O'Brien, who is 33 in Fort Scott, and Clay O'Brien is 27 in Hepler. Now, Colt's birthday is actually on Sunday, but both of them have a chance to celebrate all weekend long.
Yeah, we'll throw them together. Mike Evans, round out our list right here. A happy birthday to Mike. He is turning 39. He is in Columbus. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this July the 23rd. Maybe you're celebrating on the 24th. Maybe you're like Colt. You got a birthday coming up the 25th. We just want to say happy birthday to you before we head into the weekend. That's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOANTV.com. You can also go to KOAMNewsNow.com. Click on the birthday link. And while you're there, you may want to do something else. Here's where I introduce Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. So go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
At Food